Hi everyone, for today's lesson, we're gonna talk about operations on functions. When we say operations, we are referring with the four fundamental operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let f and g be the functions. So let's talk about first addition. So in addition, there's some denoted by f plus g is the function defined by f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. And in subtraction, their difference is denoted by f minus g is the function defined by f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. While in multiplication, their product is denoted by f multiply by g. Is the function defined by f multiply by g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. And lastly, in division, their quotient is denoted by f over g is the function defined by f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. So you have to remember that your g of x should not be equal to 0. So now let us proceed with our given examples. So let's say we have the given set of functions f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. G of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 3. H of x is equal to 3x cubed plus x minus 2x squared plus 5. And P of x is equal to x minus 2 over x plus 3. And R of x is equal to x squared minus x plus 2 over x plus 5. So let's say we have this given set of functions. So let us discuss first the addition of functions. Okay, so let us determine first f plus g of x. So, ito yung sasagutan muna natin, f plus g of x. So, as part of our solutions, so we have to write the f of x plus g of x. So, ano ba yung given nating f of x? So, meron tayong 3x minus 4. So, sulat lang natin siya, 3x minus 4. So, plus yung ating given na g of x, eto yon. So, we have x squared minus 2x plus 3. So, we have 3x. Ngayon naman, dito na tayo sa ating second parenthesis. So, you have to distribute the sign dito sa terms na nasa loob ng parenthesis natin. So, positive multiplied by x squared, we have positive x squared. Positive multiplied by negative 2x, negative 2x. Positive multiplied by positive 3, positive 3. You have to remember yung sign rule. So, ano nga ba yung sign rule? So, pagka sinabi nating sign rule in multiplication, so, when you multiply two unlike sign, pagka sinabing unlike sign, hindi magkamukha. Meron kang isang positive, isang negative, the product is always negative. Yan. When you multiply two like sign naman, let's say positive multiplied by positive, so the product is positive. So, when you multiply negative to negative, they are still like sign, kaya ang sagot pa rin niya o yung product pa rin niya ay positive. Kasi positive multiplied by positive x squared, they are still positive. So, positive multiplied by negative 2x, negative 2x. And positive multiplied by positive 3, we have positive 3. So, this time naman, we have to combine like terms. Okay. So, combine natin yung like terms. So isa lang naman yung pwede kayo mag-simplify dito based dun sa kanyang exponent. So, yung pinakamataas na exponent yung mauuna, pababa. So, isa lang naman yung may square natin dito na exponent. So, copy na lang natin siya. So, we have x squared. Then, we have 3x plus negative 2x. So, ngayon naman, ano naman yung sign rule naman natin pagdating kay addition and subtraction? So, sign rule in addition and subtraction. So, dito naman, when you add two like sign, yan. So, pagka pinag-plus mo yung dalawang magkamukhang sign, so, halimbawa, positive plus positive, the answer is positive. So, ano yung operation? Addition. Pagka naman, pinag-plus mo yung dalawang like sign, so let's say we have negative plus negative. So, ang magiging sign mo naman doon ay negative. But, the operation is still addition. Okay. So, paano naman pagka pinag-plus mo yung dalawang unlike sign? So, isang positive plus isang negative. So, ang magiging sagot natin dyan, it could be positive or negative. So, you have to copy the sign of the higher value. So, kung ano yung mas mataas na value, yun yung kanyang magiging sign. Okay, so for example, so let's have 5 plus 2. They are both positive. So, ang operation natin ay addition at ang magiging sign natin ay positive. So, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So, ngayon naman, paano naman pagkaparehas? Negative. So, negative 5 plus negative 2. So, pagka ganyan, they are like sign. So, you have to add and copy the sign. So, ang sign natin ay negative. So, 5 plus 2 is 7. So, the answer o yung kanila magiging sum ay negative 7. So, pagka naman nag-add ka ng dalawang unlike sign, let's say we have positive 5 and pa-plus natin siya ngayon sa negative 2. So, unlike sign, isang positive, isang negative. So, pagka dito, ang magiging operation natin, pagka ganitong unlike sign, yan, ang magiging operation niya ay subtraction. So, you have to minus. So, subtraction. So, paano? So, magiging 5 minus 2. So, 5 minus 2 ay 3. So, sabi natin dito sa conditions, we have to copy the sign of the higher value. So, ano ba mas mataas? Si positive o si negative? So, si positive. Kaya ang sagot natin ay positive 3. So, what if naman meron akong negative 5 plus positive 2? So, isang negative, isang positive. So, again, ang ating magiging operation pa rin ay subtraction. So, we have to minus. So, 5 minus 2 ay 3. Pero sabi rin natin, base sa ating sign rule, we have to copy the sign of the higher value. So, ano ba mas mataas, si negative o si positive? Si negative. So, ang magiging sagot natin dito ay negative 3. So, yun yung sign rule naman natin pagdating kay addition and subtraction. So, ngayon, balikan na natin yung ating example. Ayan. So, sa addition of functions. So, meron tayo dito, sabi nga natin, we have to combine like terms. So, again, combine like terms. Yan. So, meron tayong 3x and negative 2x. So, they are unlike sign. Isang positive, isang negative. So, we have to minus. So, 3x minus 2x, magkakaroon tayo ng 1x. So, ano mas malaking sign? Si positive o si negative? Si positive. So, magiging positive x. So, we don't have to write 1 there. Kasi meron na siyang invisible value doon ng 1. Okay? So, next naman, meron tayong dalawang constant. We have negative 4 and positive 3. So, negative 4 plus 3. So, again, unlike sign na naman. So, you have to minus and copy the sign of the higher value. So, negative 4 plus 3, magkakaroon naman tayo ngayon ng negative 1. So, eto na yung final answer natin. So, f plus g of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 1. Okay, so now let's have another example. So let's have our example number 2. So kung kanina pinag-plus natin si f at g, so this time naman, try naman natin g at si h. So let's have g plus h. O, ngayon naman, lagyan natin ng value yung x. Let's try negative 1. So g plus h of negative 1. So, let us solve. Is equal to, copy lang natin yung ating g of x. So, we have x squared minus 2x plus 3 plus yung ating h of x. We have 3x cubed plus x minus 2x squared plus 5. Paano po yan? Hindi po naka-arrange yung degree po ng polynomial. Okay lang po ba yun? Yes, okay lang yun. So, pwede nating i-arrange na lang yung degree ng polynomial mamaya doon sa ating final answer. So, ngayon, first step, we have to simplify those values or those terms inside the parentheses. So, we have x squared minus 2x plus 3. So, next naman, we have to distribute the sign doon sa entire term doon sa loob ng parenthesis. So, pagka positive naman, distribute natin siya dyan, magiging as is yung value niya. So, copy na lang natin. So, we're gonna have positive 3x cubed plus x minus 2x squared plus 5. So, next step, we have to combine like terms. So, isa lang naman yung naka-cube natin. Copy na lang natin. So, we have positive 3x cubed. So, next, sunod naman natin yung squared. So, x squared plus negative 2x squared. So, again, unlike sign na naman. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng negative x squared. So, next, negative 2x plus x, unlike sign ulit. Magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng negative x. So, meron tayong dalawang constant. So, 3 plus 5, magkakaroon naman tayo ng positive 8. So, since meron tayong value of x here, so we have to substitute that on our answer after we get the sum of g plus h. So, let us substitute negative 1 sa lahat ng value ng x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng is equal to 3 multiply by negative 1 cubed minus negative 1 squared minus negative 1 plus 8. So, simplify natin siya. So, negative 1 cubed. So, kunin natin yung cube ng negative 1. We have to multiply negative 1 3 times by itself. So, we have negative 1 multiply by negative 1 multiply by negative 1. So, negative 1 multiply by negative 1, we have positive 1. So, positive 1 multiply by negative 1, we will have negative 1. So, meaning to say, yung cube ng negative 1 ay negative 1. So, we have 3 multiply by negative 1. So, next, kuhain naman natin ngayon yung squared ng negative 1. So, minus, ano ba yung magiging squared ng negative 1? So, eto yun, negative 1 multiply by negative 1 ay positive 1. So, negative, multiply by negative, magkakaroon tayo ng positive 1. So, bring down na lang to, plus 8. So, balikan natin yung sign rule ng multiplication. Negative, multiply by negative ay positive. So, next, let us apply naman yung distributive property ng multiplication. So, we have to distribute itong 3 doon sa loob ng parenthesis. So, 3 multiply by negative 1, we will have negative 3. So, negative multiply by positive, 1, negative 1. 1 plus 8, magkakaroon tayo ng positive 9. So, next, negative 3 plus negative 3, meron tayo negative 4 plus 9. So, negative 4 plus 9, we will have positive 5. So, ito na yung final answer natin. So, G plus H of negative 1 is equal to 5. Example 3. Let us determine the functions of P plus R of 1/2. So, it's something like we are simplifying an algebraic expression. So, we have to look for the LCD. So, ano ba yung LCD na yun? This is the least common denominator. So, ano nga ba yung tinatawag nating LCD? So, yung tinatawag nating LCD, ito yung smallest number of all the common multiples of your denominator. Ay x plus 3 and x plus 5. So, next, we just need to divide our LCD to our given. So, x plus 3 and x plus 5 divide by x plus 3. So, makakancel ngayon si x plus 3, matitira si x plus 5. Then, multiply it by numerator. So, we're gonna have x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 2. So, plus, next, x plus 3, x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. So, makakancel naman natin this time si x plus 5 kasi they are common factor. So, matitira ngayon si x plus 3. So, we will have x plus 3 multiply by x squared minus x plus 2. So, next, let us simplify. So, itong unang given natin, we can apply FOIL method here since both of them is binomial. So, FOIL method. Yan ang gagamitin natin if the given is both binomial. So, first, we have to multiply the first term. So, x multiply by x, we will have x squared. So, you have to remember naman yung tinatawag nating power rule of multiplication. Yan. So, paano mangyayari sa exponent natin? For example, we have x raised to n multiplied by x raised to m. So, you have to add the exponent. So, the result is x raised to m plus n. Kaya ito naging squared kasi ito may invisible value ng 1 dyan na exponent niya. So, 1 plus 1 ay 2. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng x squared. So, next, so ito yung f natin o yung first term. Next, doon na tayo sa outer term. So, ito naman yung outer term natin. Si x multiply by 2. Negative 2. So, that's the O in the FOIL method. So, x multiply by negative 2. So, we have negative 2x. So, next, inner term, 5 multiplied by x. So, that's the I. So, we have positive 5x. Next, last term natin, 5 multiplied by negative 2. So, unlike sign, kaya magiging negative 10. So, next naman na simplify natin itong sa isa. So, meron tayong isang binomial and isang trinomial. So, hindi na natin pwedeng i-apply si FOIL method. So, this time naman, i-apply naman natin yung distributive property ng multiplication. Squared multiplied by x we're gonna get x cubed. So we have x squared multiply by 3. So we're gonna get positive 3x squared. Next, itong second term naman natin, negative x multiply by x. So we have negative x squared. Next, x multiply by 3. So we have negative 3x. Next, in last term natin, 2 multiply by x, you're gonna get positive 2x. 2 multiply by 3, we're gonna have positive 6. So, na-simplify na natin. So, over, just copy the LCD, which is x plus 3 and x plus 5. Let us combine like terms. So, pagka sinabi pala nating like terms, siya yung magkamukha sila ng variable. Bukod sa same sila ang variable, kailangan same din yung exponent nila. So, yun lang yung pwede nyong pagsamahin. So, next naman, so let us combine like terms naman. So, unahin natin yung may pinakamataas na exponent. So, we have x cubed. So, isa lang naman yung may cube natin. So, x cubed. And then, meron tayong x squared plus 3x squared. So, we're gonna have 4x squared. So, 4x squared minus x squared. So, we're gonna get positive 3x squared. So, next, negative 2x plus 5x. So, we will have positive 3x. Positive 3x plus negative 3x. 0. So, plus 2x. So, we will have positive 2x. Next, negative 10 plus positive 6. Ang like sign. So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 4. Then, simplify na natin ngayon yung denominator natin using FOIL method. So, x multiplied by x, we will have x squared. So, outer term, x multiplied by 5, we have positive 5x. So, 3 multiplied by x, we have positive 3x. So, x ay 3 multiplied by 5, we will have positive 15. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 4 over, simplify natin yung like term sa denominator. So, we have x squared plus 8x plus 15. So, nakuha tong 8x. Ito lang, combine like terms. 5x plus 3x, 8x. So, since meron tayong given value ng x, which is 1/2, we just need to substitute it sa lahat ng value ng x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1/2 cube plus 3 multiplied by 1/2 squared plus 2 multiplied by 1/2 minus 4 over 1/2 squared plus 8 multiplied by 1/2 plus 15. So, simplify muna natin yung sa numerator natin. So, 1/2 cube, magkakaroon tayo ng 1 over 8. O, paano nangyari yon? So, meron tayong 1/2 multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by 1/2. So, 1/2 multiplied by 1/2, we have 1/4. 1/4 multiplied by 1/2, we have 1 over 8. So, ito siya. So, plus, so meron tayo pagka 1/2 squared, we have 1/4. So, 3, magkakaroon tayo na 3 multiply by 1/4 plus 2 multiply by 1, 2. Divide by 2, 1. So, magkakaroon tayo ng plus 1 minus 4. Over negative 1/2 squared, we have 1/4. 1/4 plus 8 multiplied by 1, we have 8 divided by 2, 4 plus 15. So, next, simplify natin yung numerator natin. So we have 1/8 plus 3 multiplied by 1/4. We're gonna get 3/4 plus, simplify na natin itong dalawa. 1 minus 4. Magkakaroon tayo ng negative 3. So, pwede nating lagyan ng denominator na 1 para ngayon masimplify natin yung ating numerator. So, ito naman sa baba, we will have 1/4 plus 15 plus 4, we have 19 over 1. Ano magiging LCD ng ating numerator? So, para malaman ng LCD, pwede tayong gumamit ng prime factorization method. Meron tayong denominator na 8, 4, and 1. So, ano ba ang multiple ng 8? So, we have 4 multiplied by 2, and then 2 multiplied by 2. Sa 4 naman, meron tayong 2 multiplied by 2, and yung 1, meron tayong 1 multiplied by 1. So, ang ating magiging LCD ay 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. We will have 8. So, ito, and ito. Ayan. So, that's how we can get our LCD o yung tinatawag nating least common denominator. So, dito, magiging denominator natin ay 8. So, 8 divided by 8, 1. Multiply by 1, 1. 8 divided by 4, 2. Multiply by positive 3, we have positive 6. 8 divided by 1, 8. Multiply by negative 3, we have negative 24. Over, ang ating denominator, ang magiging LCD natin dyan ay 4 since meron lang naman tayong 4 and 1. Okay, so 4 divided by 4, 1. Multiply by 1, 1. 4 divided by 1 is positive 4. Multiply by 19, 76. Positive 76. So 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus negative 24, negative 17. So negative 17 over 8. Over 1 plus 76, we have 77 over 4. Ayan. Since ang numerator natin ay fraction, ang denominator natin ay fraction din, we can simplify this by getting the reciprocal ng ating denominator. So, we will have negative 17 over 8 multiply. So, from division, we will convert it into multiplication. So, we just need to get the reciprocal of our denominator. So, from 77 over 4, we will have 4 over 77. So, as we can see here, we can simplify 8 and 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 8 divided by 4, we have 2. So, negative 17 multiply by 1, we have negative 17. So, 2 multiplied by 77, 154. So, since we have odd number and even number, wala na siyang lowest term. So, since proper fraction na siya, eto na yung pinaka-final answer natin. Negative 17 over 154. Subtraction of functions. So, let's have our example number 4. So, we're done with the addition. So, this time naman, we have subtraction of functions. So, first, let us try g minus h of x. So, let's have our given value for g of x. So, we have x squared minus 2x plus 3 minus our h of x, 3x cubed plus x minus 2x squared plus 5. So again, we have first to simplify yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, yung ating first parenthesis, copy nyo lang. So, we have x squared minus 2x plus 3. Then, para sa second parenthesis natin, for the h of x, we have to distribute this negative sign with the entire terms inside the parenthesis. So, negative multiplied by 3x cubed, we will have negative 3x cubed. Negative multiplied by positive x, negative x. Negative multiplied by negative 2x squared, we have positive 2x squared. Negative multiplied by positive 5, we have negative 5. So, next, we have to combine like terms. So, we have negative 3x cubed, so x squared plus 2x squared, we have 3x squared. Negative 2x plus negative x, we have negative 3x. 3 plus negative 5, we have negative 2. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Now, let's try naman yung f minus p of negative 2. Okay, so first, let us copy our given. So, we have 3x minus 4 minus x minus 2 over x plus 3. So, like what we did a while ago, we have to look for the LCD. So, dito sa given natin, ang pwede natin maging LCD, ito para maging balance equation natin, we can write denominator na 1 here. So, since we only have 1 and x plus 3 na denominator, we can say that our LCD is x plus 3. So, x plus 3 divided by 1, we have x plus 3. So, multiply by 3x minus 4. So, we have x plus 3 multiply by 3x minus 4. So, next, x plus 3 divided by x plus 3, 1, multiply by the numerator x minus 2. So, we have minus 1 multiply by x minus 2. Now, let us simplify. So, x multiply by 3x, we will have 3x squared. Then, we have x multiply by negative 4. So, we will have negative 4x. So, 3 multiplied by 3x, positive 9x. 3 multiplied by negative 4, we have negative 12. So, ito naman i-distribute natin. Negative 1 multiplied by x, we have negative x. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 2, we have positive 2 over the denominator x plus 3. So, next, we have to combine like terms. So, we have 3x squared, then negative 4x plus 9x, we have 5x. 5x plus negative x, we will have positive 4x. So, meron tayong dalawang constant. So, negative 12 plus 2, we have negative 10 over x plus 3. Meron tayong given na value of x, which is negative 2. So, we have to substitute it to all the value of x dun sa nakuha nating difference ni f and p. So, we will have 3 multiplied by negative 2 square plus 4 multiplied by negative 2 minus 10 over negative 2 plus 3. So, negative 2 square, we have positive 4 multiplied by 3, we will have 12. 4 multiplied by negative 2, negative 8, then minus 10 over negative 2 plus 3, 1. So, 12 minus 8, we have positive 4. Positive 4 minus 10, we will have negative 6 over 1. So, negative 6 divided by 1, or negative 6 over 1 is also equal to negative 6. So, ito yung final answer natin.